Did you know this tiny kitchen spice could be a powerful remedy for your eyes, digestion, and even your immune system? Let's talk about clove tea, a simple natural remedy packed with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. To make clove tea for eye health, boil a quart of water. Add 20 to 30 organic Ceylon cloves. Cover and let it steep until fully cool. Eye compress. Soak a clean cloth or cotton pad in the tea and gently place it on your closed eyes for a few minutes. Natural eye drops. Use 2 to 3 drops in the eye, up to 3 times daily. Warning: never apply undiluted clove oil directly to your eyes. It can cause irritation. Clove tea isn't just for your eyes. It also makes an excellent antibacterial mouthwash. Just let it sit overnight before straining. Now, here are more reasons to keep cloves in your kitchen. Powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Rich in eugenol, cloves help reduce inflammation and fight free radicals. Supports digestion. Cloves stimulate digestive enzymes and reduce bloating. Supports digestion. Cloves stimulate digestive enzymes and reduce bloating. Blood sugar management. Studies show cloves may improve insulin function, especially for type 2 diabetes. Oral health. They destroy harmful bacteria and fight biofilms, perfect for gums and breath. Nature has powerful remedies, and cloves are one of them. Simple, affordable, effective. Want more natural healing tips? Like and subscribe to Nutrient Fusion and stay connected to the power of nature.